Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone 14 Pro, and let me show you how to change language of this device. So if you wish to change the default language, just open the settings, then find and select General, and go to Language and Region. And here you can smoothly change system language by tapping on Add Language, select the one that you would like to use, and now you can decide if it should be your default language. Wait a couple of seconds and then it will be set. As you can see, it has been applied, and then whenever you would like to change it again, smoothly enter languages and region again, and here you can set it up. You can also manage it from this panel, so if you wish to change the language and this picked language is located here, you can smoothly slide up, and now once it's at the top of the list, it can be set as a default language. So this is it. This is how you can change system language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.